Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango, western Pennsylvania, until 8:45 a.m. At 7:53 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line from 16 miles northwest of Franklin to over Hermitage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharon, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, Mercer, Stoneboro, West Middlesex, Polk, Sandy Lake, Clark, Wheatland, Rouseville, Fredonia, Cooperstown, and Jackson Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 29. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 112 and 137. Interstate 376 between mile marker 0 and 3. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer and Venango.